Good morning, it's Freddie here from Burton Waters Boat Sales here in Lincoln, and today I'm going to be showing you around our ex-demonstrator Jeanneau Merry Fisher 695 Series 2. She's currently priced at $72,950. So what we'll do is we'll have a look around the externals of the boat and then we'll head inside. So starting things off on the externals of the boat, as you can see we've added the addition of this lovely grey wrap. Really does make the boat stand out from the rest of the other models on the market. Up there you've got the electric windlass. And she really does pack a lot of features for a 25-foot boat. Down below there you've got your bow thruster. And we have spec'd this boat with the full canopy enclosure. We have taken it off for the video, but we'll overlay a shot now, just showing you what it looks like with the canopy on. There you've got the teak bathing platforms either side of the outboard. She's equipped with the Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard, and in the deal we will include the first service on the boat, which would either be the 3-month or 20-hour service. The outboard's currently down, so you get this bench here which slides back, making seating for another 2 people as this infill's been slotted in. So you get a really nice U-shaped seating area, and when the canopy's off, it's a really nice place to be. Both on the port and starboard side you've got a rod holder, so if you wanted to remove all of the cushions from the boat and do some fishing, that's certainly something you can do. You've got a storage locker here, and then you've also got a great sized lazarette under there, so I'll overlay a shot now of that. Great for storing all your lines and fenders and maybe some water toys or fishing equipment. There you've got your swim ladder if you're brave enough to take a dip. This boat does have asymmetrical deck, so your starboard side is slightly wider than your port side, but you can get round both sides. I'll just show you the port side now. And a good size hand railings either side of the vessel. There's your gas locker in there. Just before we head inside, you have got these lovely patio doors, so if you did want to enclose the area on a not so nice day, you can do so. Over to port you've got your shore power, and this boat does have a battery charger as well. So on your port side you've got this great seating arrangement. You'd happily sit 2 people either side, and you've got this fold out table here, so I'll just demonstrate that. And then just in front you've got this co-pilot seat, so if you did want to face forward when travelling along, you can do so. And this area can convert into another berth, which I'll show you now. So here's what the area looks like once you drop down the table and put the 2 infill cushions in there. I would say it's more of a large single, but you could probably fit 2 smaller children on there. And just before we move on to the helm, I have to say the amount of light coming into this boat today is spectacular. You've got 360-degree views all around, and then above head you've got a great size opening hatch. So on a day like today, when it's nice and sunny, you can get lots of ventilation into the boat, as well as these good size opening windows on the port and starboard sides. So coming onto your helm now, you've got your Garmin chart plotter there, Yamaha display, and this boat does come with a 5-year engine warranty. Bow thruster, throttle there which falls nicely to hand, all of your switches, and then the helm seat has this bolster so it easily drops down like so. But then you can also have it up, so if you did want to stand while driving the boat you can do, which I'll demonstrate now. Just coming down now into your main accommodation. So you've got this great size berth. above head you've got your escape hatch, some further storage down below, and there is an infill here which I'll show you now. So here's what it looks like with the extra triangle infill, and it just provides that extra bit of leg room. And if I just remove this cushion, which is slightly further back, you've got some further storage which runs all the way along where the table and seating area is. Great for storing any spare cushions or canopies you're carrying with you. And then coming onto your heads, you've got an opening hatch to let in some more natural light, your sink with cold water, and then your Jabsco manual toilet. But for a 25-foot boat, I don't think you can ask for much more from your heads. Another great feature this boat has is the carpet below foot. Without it, there would be a lot of GRP on display, but it does really break it up and it feels nice underfoot. So you do have the option to take this sun cap down, but just for the purpose of the video, we've left it up just so you can make out what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video on our Jeanneau Merry Fisher 695 Series 2. She's currently based at our Lincoln office, priced at $72,950. We can arrange transport anywhere in the UK, and we can offer finance options, so if that is something that could be of interest to you, get in contact with the Burton Motors team on 01522 567 404 for any further details, and we'd be more than happy to show you around the boat 7 days a week.